Hello everyone, today we're going to see how to add a subdivision surface to multiple objects at once, and also how we can change the subdivision levels to those several objects. I'm going to show you with this cube. I want to duplicate it several times and then just select all the cubes, press Ctrl 1, and that adds a subdivision surface to every object. Also, if you press Ctrl 2, Ctrl 3, Ctrl 4, and so on, you can change the subdivision levels of the objects. Also, if you press Ctrl 0, it will set the subdivision levels to 0. If you go back to 1, 2, or 3, you can add levels, subdivision levels to the objects. If you select one of the objects, you will see that in the modifier tab, the subdivision surface modifier is there. The same for the rest of the objects. I hope this video was useful, and see you next time.
Subscribe now.